South Africa is a movie. It's a series.
Put it on the track.
Every day you will be shocked by something new.
Chiko bathetele badlala ngomlilo labafana ngeke ngibayekele azisho maji Spencer the movie again Spencer the movie again Spencer the movie again Spencer the movie again Chiko bathetele badlala ngomlilo labafana ngeke ngibayekele aziwa maji Spencer the movie again Spencer the movie again Spencer the movie again Spencer the movie again
Ngalahleli violence bacela isikhwa cause I'm a different kind of animal ngathi chase kwasekuvuka amakwala got these bitches off the pedestal camera action ngazibuza skip on cause now they're acting under character got them in circles like a carousel kanti ubani general ngiyazi bangifuna phansi ngiyabaphazamisa still on my high like Pegasus thatha isikhathi sakho ngibheke sis engasuka nanini like Genesis kodwa isiphetho sayo kuzoba jealousis they sleeping on me paralysis but they steady rooting for these amateurs pick a target and I never miss ngama punchline ngenzima sis back to back ngiyawalamanisa ngumzeke ngiyabaguqisa tell these bitches give my ring a kiss name another rapper better than this enter the dragon bayazi ngiyachase bhekana nami is a crisis singaqhuma nanini like ISIS fed ungalinga ususpices ungazami nokuthatha ama chances bye sis ngazami nokuthatha ama chances ngeke balunge ngomshini turning all of my losses to wins kanti fede bekuyini nami ngiphakamisela senkambini khafula njenge M16 like straight off a Rambo movie scene le skill is perfect obhukwini kodwa babhale njengegusha eskontirini from TKZ ngishoba lengolovani stand in my way mina nawe ngiswani bakala ngamehla lambili mambani deadly assassin with eyes on the prize mina nginsimbi ngile type engaphuki bengithi ngiyaniyeka inhliziyo ayivumi wangizela ngobuso ntwana ngekulunga wanna try me get Kobe to do it lokhu ngithulile ngibukela nesitshela ukuthi sengiphelele vele ngidume ngokutheleka ngizoyifaka le pressure noze namukela nakhona noma bengathini bazongichase unomphelo angeke bafike bakhonkotha nje ngebenze nix bagcina ngokukhuluma ngeke bangithinte
Chiko bathetele badlala ngomlilo labafana ngeke ngibayekele azisho maji Spencer the movie again Spencer the movie again Spencer the movie again Spencer the movie again Chiko bathetele badlala ngomlilo labafana ngeke ngibayekele aziwa maji Spencer the movie again Spencer the movie again Spencer the movie again Spencer the movie again